This one is finding percent of a number 8. It's just like the one we did before where you have different types of material that you have to find. And what we're going to do is we're going to go over a few examples, and I'm going to give you some things to help you. All right, first of all, let's adjust our screen here. All right, it says solving basic percent problems, and these are things that you've been doing. I want to show you this right here. All right, finding percent of a number. The percent, if you're looking for the percent, equals the part divided by the total. So P equals X, or the part over the T. All right. If you're looking for the total, you take the part and you divide it by the percent. Remember to change that percent to decimal form. So total equals the part, X, divided by the percent, P, and make sure it's in decimal form. If you want to find the part, then that's when you say the percent, P, times the total. And those are the ones that you started out doing the most of, where you would say, okay, what is, like number 9 here, what is 46% of 127? All right, so we're going to have this right here, and we're going to decide which thing we need to find for number 1. All right, so no, we want to make it small again. All right, we're going to say whether we need to find the percent, the total, or the part, and then we're going to solve it. Number 1, 38 is what percent of 56? So it looks to me like we have to find the percent on this one, which means you're going to take the part and divide it by the total. X is the part divided by the total. So number 1, P equals number 1, let me go down here. All right, so P, or the percent, equals the part, and on number 1, the part is 38, divided by the total, which is 56. All right, you will divide that out, and when you do, you will get a decimal, and that decimal will need to be changed into a percent. So let's get the calculator. All right, so we have 38 divided by 56. That equals 0.678. Now we're only going to use 2 places. We're not going to have any decimals in it. So we've got 0.67, and we've got 8 after it. So we're going to round that up to 8. So our percentage then is 68%. Right? That's how we do number 1. All right, let's look at number 2. 60 is what percent of 126? Well, that's the same thing that we just did. So let's pick a different problem. Here we go. Nope, we're still looking for percents on these. These say what percent, what percent. We've already done some like that. Okay, let's look at number 9. Let's do that one. Number 9. All right, what is 46% of 127? All right, so we're looking for the part. So we're going to say our part, X, equals the percentage times the total. All right, so let's say X equals, always capitalize it, X equals the part times the total. So X equals the part, we're on number 9, I'm sorry, not the part, the percentage, I'm sorry, I hope I didn't confuse you. 46% times the total, which is 127. All right, so X equals 0.46 times 127. So X equals, let's get our calculator. Let's clear this out. 127 times 0.46 equals 58.42. You can go ahead and put your decimals on numbers like that, but on your percents, you do not have to round them to the nearest hundred. So it's just regular percentages right there. All right, so we did one where we found the percentage. We did one where we found the part. Now let's look for one where we have to find the total. Let's see. Let's look at number 23. These down here. Percent of what? Let's look at number 18. Let's do number 18. There we go. 18. All right, number 18 says 51 is 340% of what? 51 is 340% of what? Okay, so we have 51 equals 340% of, and it would be our total. We don't know what that is. Right now, if we go up here to find a total, T equals the part divided by the percent. So let's do that. T equals, or the total equals the part, which is 51, divided by the percent. Now, remember this is a percentage. We have to change it to a decimal. So we have to move our decimal 2 places to the left. So let's go 1, 2. So that would be 3.4. You can put the 0 on there if you want to, but you don't have to. So the total then was equal to whatever 51 divided by 3.4 is. 51 divided by 3.4 equals 15. So our total was actually 15. Now, keep in mind that 340% is way more than 100%. So it's going to be, your total is not as big as what you had for your part. So don't let that confuse you. All right, that is how you work the problems on this page. I've given you one of each kind, and I've put up here how to find the different types of problems. All right, you have examples, and you have these right here. I'm going to go ahead and change this one. Which one is this one? All right, that's the percentage green. And then you found the part right here. So let's make that one red so it matches that for you. So that makes a little more sense. Let's make it red. So you'll see that. And then this other one matches the total, so it's blue. So let's make number 18 blue so that it kind of matches up and you can see how to do that. There we go. All right, now I'm going to post these with the assignment, but right now I'm going to stop this video and post it on your assignment.